Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change email address on Bluesky. So as you guys see, I'm already on the web page and I'm in the settings. All you need to do is just head over to the settings from the home page and then go into the accounts, then click change email. Select whichever email you would like to have, and then just click request change. It will tell you to email updated, and all you need to do is just verify this email by sending the confirmation email and verifying it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.